Welcome to our video on best practices for systems administration in the cloud era. In this video, we will discuss the key considerations and best practices for managing systems in the cloud environment. As more and more organizations are moving their workloads to the cloud, it is important to understand the unique challenges and opportunities that come with cloud-based systems administration. In this segment, we will provide an overview of the cloud environment and discuss the key benefits and challenges of cloud-based systems administration. First, let's define what we mean by the cloud. The cloud refers to a network of remote servers hosted on the internet that can be used to store, manage, and process data. Cloud computing offers many benefits, including increased scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. However, managing systems in the cloud environment can be challenging. The cloud introduces new complexities, such as managing multiple cloud providers, ensuring data security, and maintaining compliance with regulations. To address these challenges, it is important to follow best practices for cloud-based systems administration. These best practices include 1. Developing a comprehensive cloud strategy that aligns with your organization's goals and objectives. 2. Ensuring that your cloud infrastructure is secure and compliant with industry regulations. 3. Implementing robust monitoring and management tools to ensure that your systems are performing optimally. 4. Building a skilled and knowledgeable team of cloud administrators who can effectively manage your cloud infrastructure. In the next segment, we will discuss the importance of developing a comprehensive cloud strategy. In this segment, we will discuss the importance of developing a comprehensive cloud strategy. A cloud strategy is a plan that outlines how your organization will use cloud computing to achieve its goals and objectives. A comprehensive cloud strategy should include the following elements. 1. Cloud adoption plan. This plan should outline how your organization will migrate its existing applications and data to the cloud. It should also include a timeline for the migration and a plan for managing any risks associated with the migration. 2. Cloud governance plan. This plan should outline how your organization will manage its cloud infrastructure. It should include policies and procedures for managing access to cloud resources, monitoring cloud usage, and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. 3. Cloud security plan. This plan should outline how your organization will ensure the security of its cloud infrastructure. It should include policies and procedures for managing access to cloud resources, monitoring for security threats, and responding to security incidents. 4. Cloud cost management plan. This plan should outline how your organization will manage the costs associated with cloud computing. It should include strategies for optimizing cloud usage, monitoring cloud costs, and managing cloud expenses. Developing a comprehensive cloud strategy is critical to the success of your cloud-based systems administration. It will help you to ensure that your cloud infrastructure is aligned with your organization's goals and objectives, and that it is secure, compliant, and cost-effective. In the next segment, we will discuss the importance of ensuring that your cloud infrastructure is secure and compliant with industry regulations. In this segment, we will discuss the importance of ensuring that your cloud infrastructure is secure and compliant with industry regulations. Security and compliance are critical considerations for cloud-based systems administration, as the cloud introduces new risks and challenges that must be addressed. To ensure the security and compliance of your cloud infrastructure, you should follow these best practices. 1. Implement strong access controls. You should implement strong access controls to ensure that only authorized users have access to your cloud resources. This includes using multi-factor authentication, role-based access controls, and monitoring for unauthorized access attempts. 2. Use encryption. You should use encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This includes using SSL/TLS for data in transit and encrypting data at rest using encryption keys that are managed by your organization. 3. Monitor for security threats. You should implement robust monitoring tools to detect and respond to security threats. This includes monitoring for unusual activity, such as failed login attempts or data exfiltration attempts. 4. Ensure compliance with industry regulations. You should ensure that your cloud infrastructure is compliant with industry regulations such as HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR. This includes implementing appropriate security controls, conducting regular security audits, and maintaining documentation of your security practices. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your cloud infrastructure is secure and compliant with industry regulations. This will help you to mitigate the risks associated with cloud-based systems administration and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. In the next segment, we will discuss the importance of implementing robust monitoring and management tools to ensure that your systems are performing optimally. In this segment, we will discuss the importance of implementing robust monitoring and management tools to ensure that your systems are performing optimally. Cloud-based systems administration requires a different approach to monitoring and management than traditional on-premises systems administration. To ensure that your cloud infrastructure is performing optimally, you should follow these best practices. 1. Implement cloud monitoring tools. You should implement cloud monitoring tools that can provide real-time visibility into the performance of your cloud infrastructure. This includes monitoring for metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. 2. Use automated scaling. You should use automated scaling to ensure that your cloud infrastructure can handle changes in demand. This includes using auto-scaling groups to automatically add or remove resources based on demand. 3. Implement configuration management. You should implement configuration management tools to ensure that your cloud infrastructure is configured correctly. This includes using tools such as Puppet or Chef to automate the configuration of your cloud resources. 4. Use DevOps practices. You should use DevOps practices to ensure that your cloud infrastructure is managed in a consistent and repeatable way. This includes using tools such as Git for version control and Jenkins for continuous integration and deployment. By implementing these best practices, you can ensure that your cloud infrastructure is performing optimally and that you can quickly respond to any issues that arise. This will help you to provide a reliable and responsive service to your users and customers. In the final segment, we will discuss the importance of building a skilled and knowledgeable team of cloud administrators who can effectively manage your cloud infrastructure. In this final segment, we will discuss the importance of building a skilled and knowledgeable team of cloud administrators who can effectively manage your cloud infrastructure. Cloud-based systems administration requires a different set of skills and knowledge than traditional on-premises systems administration. To build a skilled and knowledgeable team of cloud administrators, you should follow these best practices. 1. To invest in training. You should invest in training for your cloud administrators to ensure that they have the skills and knowledge needed to effectively manage your cloud infrastructure. This includes training on cloud-specific technologies, such as AWS or Azure, as well as training on DevOps practices and tools. 2. Foster a culture of learning. You should foster a culture of learning within your organization to encourage your cloud administrators to continuously improve their skills and knowledge. This includes providing opportunities for professional development, such as attending conferences or participating in online training courses. 3. Encourage collaboration. You should encourage collaboration between your cloud administrators and other teams within your organization, such as development or security teams. This will help to ensure that your cloud infrastructure is managed in a holistic and integrated way. 4. Hire the right people. You should hire cloud administrators who have the right skills and experience for the job. This includes looking for candidates who have experience with cloud-specific technologies and who have a strong understanding of DevOps practices and tools. By building a skilled and knowledgeable team of cloud administrators, you can ensure that your cloud infrastructure is managed effectively and efficiently. This will help you to provide a reliable and responsive service to your users and customers, and to achieve your organization's goals and objectives. Thank you for watching our video on best practices for systems administration in the cloud era. We hope that you found this information helpful and informative.